All right, this is question number 9 from the 2016 practice exam. And once again, we're asked to find the area of a function. So we're going from -5 to 3. So really, just like we did in question number 7, it's a good idea to get a quick sketch of what this function looks like. And this is the non-calculator section. They're not going to give you too fancy of functions, but this one looks a little different. It's a piecewise function, and we have the absolute value over x of x over x for everything other than 0, and then we're told it equals 0 when x is equal to 0. So if we just do a quick kind of plot of some ideas, points here, what we're going to get is this idea here when we're less than 0, and then we're going to equal 0, and then we're going to actually jump up to, this is -1 by the way, we're going to jump up to 1 for everything greater than 0, and we're going to get this line here. Okay, and for this particular case, we're really looking from -5 up to, we'll make it a little smaller here, that's 3. So we're looking for the area here plus the area there. So once again, like number 7, we're going to have to split this integral up. So I'm thinking I got the integral from -5. All right, so I'm going to split this one up from -5 to 0 of, I'm just going to put f of x, because really this is going to be a visual type of question. And then we're going to add on this integral from 0 to 3 of f of x dx. All right, so this is just the area for this first region over here. Well, if we look at it, this height is 1, and we're going from this side here is 5. It's like -5, but it's basically 5. Now, not too bad. That's going to be a 5. Now, we will consider that this is underneath the x-axis, so that's going to actually be a negative. We go over here. This is the area for this region. So that is 3 times 1. So again, it's a height of 1 for that 3. We're going to get 3. We put those together. I'm going to get -2, and that is A.